we're going to tackle the other question that commonly comes up when you start talking about GarageBand, and that is, can you actually make high-quality music using a free program like GarageBand? I love this question! Well, I have a few answers to that question, but I think the best answer is to simply let you listen to a few projects that were done entirely in GarageBand. Roll film!
Ava Jean, you stole this heart, turned my whole world upside down. And I still can't believe how such a little girl could come and hush my big important world. Ava Jean, you stole my heart on that day when you came and you brightened up my world. Disappointment wins, and you started giving up again. Just remember the God you lift your voice up to.
Kings will quake, nations will be shaken as they see the day approach. Will you be
Is that exciting for you to hear and know that these songs were recorded using a program that you already have on your laptop, really basic equipment, and they were recorded in places like a bedroom closet? Ooh, how fancy. Now, I'm not claiming that these are the best sounding songs in the world, but what I can say is that if I'm not writing good sounding songs or getting good sounding recordings, it's not because of GarageBand's lack of capabilities. It's actually because of my lack of skill.
Ouch, that was a little rough.
You see, I've used programs like Logic and Pro Tools, and I'm telling you that GarageBand has nearly every single capability that these programs do. The beautiful part about GarageBand is that it's free and that it's way more user-friendly than the other programs that I mentioned. So with a really powerful program like GarageBand that's free and easy to use, that means it's up to us to grow in the craft of songwriting and in our skill of music production if we want to get great sounding songs and recordings.